Hello, I have this spring vintage box that came in the mail today. I ordered this from Etsy. I discovered this shop owner, her Instagram name is like Your Dearest Pages, I think. It comes in a wooden box. There's my name at the front. I think the presentation is very cute. I already kind of looked at it, so that's why this is kind of unlaced, but it came with this little flower, a note. Her name is Marianne. So I'll just like get right into it. So she did include this Taka Cleopatra lotion, hand cream. I mean, this is mostly a stationery box. I think this is like some extras. So I'll go through those first. Like everything is so packaged nicely and cute. So this, also when you open the box, there's this very nice smell. And I think it's this thing. It's a candle, I believe. So that's what it looks like. Yeah, oh wow, it's a very strong smell. Okay, and the next thing, I know one other thing. Let's see here. There's included a pencil, like a graphite pencil. I don't know if I'm gonna actually be using this. But, okay, so there's this thing over here. So some yarn. This is kind of fuzzy, and this one has like stuff on it. Very nice for journaling. Okay, and this is I've seen this online. I've seen like it's silver foil, but I've seen mostly like gold as well. I think that's the one I commonly see. I'm not exactly sure how to use it, to be honest, so I need to look that up. I know some people use it and they're like wax seals and stuff. Unbox this. I don't know if I can open this without like ripping it. This one says travel. It's a stamp. It's a rubber stamp. Very nice. I'm not doing any traveling, so I can't be sure that I'm gonna go ahead and I'm not probably gonna use that anytime soon. The packaging for everything is just really nice. What is this? Oh, okay. So this is, there we go. Wintertime Crafts washi tape, and this looks very nice actually, this style. Okay, the next thing, I think I can, here's a bunch of ephemera. Oh, this is, I think, a sticker. I think only of you. Let me go ahead and open this. Like, this is such lovely packaging. There's this little hand here, this gold. I think you can use this for like decoration for, or props for photography, maybe. have a bunch of just different small ephemera you can use in your journaling. That's very lovely. Okay, the next thing is this thing that says made with love. How am I supposed to see if I can actually remove this without cutting it? Okay, here we go. So these are wax seals, and some of them are so cute. Like she put dried flowers on here. Here she put the gold foiling. So it's actually very lovely. I love this and the colors she used. Here is some lace. Okay. Oh, I love this. Okay. So this is the MU print on stickers. I love these florals. Okay, and this one, I'm trying to open everything without messing up the packaging. Okay, so here is some washi and pet tape samples. Oh, that's how it is. This is Freckles Tea. I don't have this one. I do have this one. I have this one too. There's this one. These are actually really pretty. This is I think another Freckles Tea one, but I don't have this one. This is by Meow Illustration. I have similar. I have the ones in washi, but this one is in pet tape, it looks like. And this one is by a company called Plus or Minus. I've seen it online, so that's how I know. And this is white. It actually looks very nice. Okay, next is this over here. It says Cherished Memories. Here, let me... And then I can just slip it right off. There's a heart sticker in the front. Okay, so this is like more ephemera. So everything here is like very pretty. I think she cut this out and stamped it herself. So these are like lovely additions you can use for your journaling. Very cute. Okay, this is a paper clip. I like this touch. There's a small pocket folder, some more lace, some more, looks like stamps, flowers, some heart stickers. Let me see. And then like another sticker, I think, or no, a photo. Okay, the next thing is more ephemera. So I like all these pieces of paper that has some dried hydrangeas. And it looks like, okay, so this is like a small booklet. And then there's paper attached, and it's perforated, so you can just like tear it out. Different types of paper. More tags. This is actually harder. I mean, this is paper, I think, but this is more stiffer type of paper, I guess you could say. Okay, and that's that for that folder. And this is the last thing. Has this on top. Everything here. Okay, and it looks like it has, this is the folder, or sorry, the envelope. I love this floral detail, and also the texture of the envelope. Another flower. This is a Freckles tea calendar. So here is just looks like different types of paper. These are some like ticket type things that you can cut out. This is Japanese, looks like from a notebook, or from a Japanese book. Okay, and she has this. There's another paper clip over here. Oh, I like this. This is cute. I've really been into gold lately. That. And then you have here just different sizes of different types of paper that you can use for journaling. Yeah, and each one is quite different as well, in texture and color and material. Okay, and so that is it